Hi guys, so I'm here at Chennai MGR bus stand, and today I'll be traveling from Chennai to Pondicherry by the AC seater bus via ECR, East Coast Road. So I've heard that this coastal route or road is very scenic, so that is why it is one of the roads that you should try as well. So that is why I'm just going to try this trip. It's a small trip. It's only 150 kilometers and journey time would be approximately 3 hours. Here at platform number 2, and here you will get the ECR buses to Pondicherry. So I'm just waiting for our AC bus because at least we won't have to suffer the heat. This is that AC bus, ECR, but then the desired seats were full, so we didn't take this bus. We'll go by the next one. You can see the ECR board 188. You'll get best buses here. This is the Pondicherry local bus going to Pondicherry as well, I believe, via ECR route. This is that bus stand. Huge bus stand. If you want to try this route as well, it is better to do from Chennai to Pondicherry rather than Pondicherry to Chennai, because that is that the route, the side, coastal side, that is where you get the better view. I mean, otherwise you're going to be on the opposite side. So the Bangalore to Chennai, it was just a normal bus trip. I didn't shoot. I rested so that I get some rest as well for the next trip. And then of course I'll be coming back from Pondicherry to Bangalore. That I'll be shooting properly. So finally the bus has come. We were waiting for the AC one. One left at 7:30 or something. The second one was, this one is 9:45 AM bus. It's it's a bit hot, so we wanted to go by AC. So this is the 9:45 AM, like I mentioned. Time that it would take is 3.5 hours via ECR route. And luckily there's no music system, so no copyright issue as well. There are actually two routes for Pondicherry. One is straight road, not sure what route that is, and the second one is via ECR, the East Coast Road, and that would take a bit longer than the normal straight road. So I'll just show you from the inside. So you can see no music system. So USB charging as well. Perfect location. AC vents on the top. Charging my phone till then. Decent enough bus. 9:39 AM. Bus will leave by 9:45 AM. 6 minutes more. So 190 rupees ticket, not bad considering AC. So 12:30 p.m. Just halted for a break. I don't know if it's lunch break. No, small break, I guess. So it's a nice coastal roads, really nice roads. They have narrow roads as well, but like really good coastal road. And it's hot. Luckily, we took the AC one. Delhi Dhaba on the way. Puducherry bus stand, Puducherry beach. Bus stand to Bajrang beach. Malappuda. Exact 2 p.m. Puducherry bus stand.
பாண்டி வாங்க பாண்டி வாங்க பாண்டி வாங்க நீ அதுக்கு டைம் போட்டு வந்திருப்பா நிறுத்துறேன் அவசரப்படாதீங்க நிறுத்துறேன் ஓரமா நிறுத்துறேன்
Reached Puducherry bus stand 2 p.m. 4 hours journey almost. Salah.